Maintenance tips that repairmen will never tell you. 1. What to do if the connector accidentally breaks. The core inside hasn't been removed yet. Just prepare 2 bolts to clamp the street head. Then use a screwdriver to hold the bolts. Twist it back with some force, and it will come out easily. Very practical. 2. If the rubber ring is too small to fit, find a rope, fold it in half, and thread it through the rope loop onto the thread. Pull it from both sides. The rubber ring will fit easily. 3. What to do if screws keep falling in tight spaces. Get a piece of tape, put the screw on it, then stick it to the screwdriver. This way, the screw won't fall while tightening. Really useful. 4. It's strange if this way of wrapping Teflon tape doesn't leak. The correct method is to twist the Teflon tape into a thin string, then wrap it around the thread a few times. Next, wrap it around with flat tape a few more times. Using this method, the Teflon tape will not leak even under high pressure. 5. Get a plastic bottle cap, melt it with fire. Put the damaged wire on it and twist a few times. Once the glue solidifies, the wire will be repaired. 6. Drill a hole in a wrench, then thread it. Screw on the nut. It becomes an adjustable wrench, compatible with various sizes of nuts. Follow me to learn more life hacks.